So I just realized that you need to put like after you put water, you have to like up like so. I do you spray water. Look at here. Well, do it. So you turn on first and look at here. You see that brown? You see that brown? I'd recommend you doing like top to bottom, like this. And from here, you sideways, so like this. If you do it this way, all your water will come down. So I'm recommending you to do this. So just look at here. And then if you don't press here, look, see, all wet, right? So look. That's when I'm not pressing here. See, look. So this thing is $200. $200, yes, but it's definitely worth it. So first, what you do is you push this, and after that, you're gonna have to not press this, just do this. And then after that, and just keep doing that. So yeah. See, look, it's very brown. Look at all that. So don't drive this car or your car. Well, leave it for one day under the sun so you can drive. So don't drive the car yet. So and then after you're done, the left one. So this one is the dirty water. Here is the clean water. So after you're done with the dirty water, what you wanna do is pull it up and then probably tip it something. You open this and then you throw it into like the sink or something. So this thing is very good for $200. Trailer, JB Hi-Fi. But we're going to $72 because of discount on Boxing Day. And that's gonna end today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. So I finished cleaning the car and this is how much dirty water we have from cleaning the car. It's all dirt. So dirty. See, it says even dirty water here. So you just put the dirty water into the sink. How? Just take it off. Go to the sink. Well, I'm gonna go to. Here's the sink. Pour it here. Oh, look at that dirty. Oh, look at that. So, nearly all the dirty water out. Okay, all of them are out, and then I'm gonna give it a rinse inside. So I'm gonna keep it clean. Give it a shake. Oh, leaking from the bottom. So yeah, that's clean now. So that's how to clean your car with the Bissel carpet cleaner, the Spotclean carpet cleaner. So that's it. That's how to clean it.